Are you stuck with a OneNote notebook that only you can see? You know, that one saved locally on your computer that you just can't share with your team? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to move it to the cloud and have your whole team editing in real time in just a few minutes. First, we'll move your notebook to OneDrive or SharePoint. Then I'll show you how to invite people and how to track all those changes once everyone starts collaborating. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to understand, and this is the core requirement, is that your notebook absolutely must be in the cloud. If it's sitting on your hard drive under this PC, nobody else can get to it. So open the OneNote app and open the notebook you want to share. Then click File up in the top left corner. From there, go to Info. Now you'll see an option that says Share or Move. Click that. This is where you choose your location. You want to select either your personal OneDrive or, if your company uses it, a SharePoint site. Once you've picked the right spot, give the notebook a name and click Move Notebook. This might take a few moments to process depending on how big your notebook is. And just a quick note, I've verified this directly from Microsoft's own support articles, so you know this is the right path. So now that we've got your notebook safely up in the cloud, let's share it with your team. Look in the top right corner of the OneNote window and click the Share button. You've got two options here. You can either invite people, which sends them an email invitation directly, or you can click Copy Link to grab a direct URL that you can paste into a chat or an email yourself. And here's the really important part. Before you send that invitation or share that link, make sure you set the permissions. You can choose whether someone can edit the notebook or if they can only view it. For most team collaboration, you'll want to give them editing access, but if you just need someone to review things, keeping it view only can be a great way to prevent accidental changes. Now let's talk about how to collaborate effectively. Once everyone is in there, you can all type and edit notes at the same time in real time. It's very smooth. But how do you know who changed what? Well, if you want to see who made specific edits, go to the History tab at the top of the window. From there, you can click Recent Edits or Find by Author. This lets you see exactly what each person added or changed and when they did it. OneNote syncs changes automatically in the background, which is great. But if you ever want to force a sync to make sure you have the absolute latest version, just right-click on the notebook name and select Sync this notebook. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from having a notebook stuck on your computer to having a fully shared cloud-based notebook where your entire team can collaborate in real time. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.